Hi, I'm Anthony Creek with DTG Printer Parts. Today I'm going to talk about our light garment pressing papers. You can use them for two different things, pre-treating and curing. The temperature that you should press them with is 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so whether you are pressing your pre-treat or curing, it should be the same. Now this is with Epson-based inks. So if you're using something else other than that, you may want to consult the person who sold you the machine. The bottom line is when you're pressing pre-treat, if you are using our pre-treat, you're going to have to press at a lower temperature. With our pre-treat, you can hang dry. So if you don't want to press right away, you can hang dry these garments without getting any staining or scorching. So we prefer you to use our pre-treat on the light garments. But anyhow, if you're pressing someone else's pre-treat, you might want to use these papers because with dark garments, if you're using something else, it'll work fine. But when pressing light garments using dark garment papers, they can leave some type of scorching on the light garment specifically. So that's why we recommend our light garment pressing papers to you for light garments. Okay, so the temperature that you want to use is 320 degrees, and what I do is I split that up into 18-second intervals. So I'll press 2 times for 18 seconds in medium pressure. On a Stahl's press, it's probably about a 4 or 5 that we consider medium pressure. Okay, because it goes up to 9, so that's halfway to 9. Okay, so after it's done, you obviously put it in the printer and print. And when it comes to curing, we are at a 3 on the pressure side. And with our inks, you can cure for 50 seconds. So if you do those two things and you use this paper, you will not only help yourself by getting better prints, okay, you'll alleviate the scorching that is common for light garments, and you get a better finished product so you can charge more. Okay. And most people will tell you to use light pressure when pressing light garments, but I've done DTG for about 12 years, and when you give it some type of pressure, you get a very good crisp print that is embedded into the shirt. Look how beautiful that is. Okay, so when you purchase from us, you're not only getting the expert advice that you get from my YouTube channel, but you're getting expert products that have been used for a long time and tested to give you the best advice and the best output.